In this video, I'm going to share with you how I have made over $1,800 in 24 hours, basically one day with one affiliate offer using Google Ads. Now, for most of you who are watching this video, you're probably wondering right now as you are watching this video and listening to me, how you can use Google as a leverage, right? How you can leverage Google as your affiliate to start having great results, to start having $200 to $500 days or even higher as an affiliate, right? So as you know, most people are using Google to target different keywords, right? Like Google PPC, Google pay-per-click, display ads, right? So you have many different options, but what most people don't know is that there is another level to Google Ads, which is called retargeting. So what is retargeting? Let me share with you over here what exactly is the power of retargeting to increase your sales as an affiliate. So you can see here, use Google remarketing to increase your sales. So as you can see here on my screen, I have prepared for you an animation to see how Google retargeting works. You see, we have a prospect over here on the left side. This is the prospect or the visitor, right? They come over to your site, right? Your website. After your website, this prospect is tracked. They are tracked, right? So cooked or tracked, right? They get tracked. They can buy the product, or if they leave the site, they are still tracked, right? Our website is tracking them. And then the prospect leaves, right? They leave. They go out of the door. They're gone. Now, your ad will show up on the other sites. You see, they leave your website. You did not waste your time. You did not waste your money on click, right? But because you were a smart marketer, you tracked your customer, your visitor, right? So the visitor, let me give you a simple example. You go to the coffee shop, right? You go inside, you see the menu, you buy nothing, you buy zero and you leave, right? The owner didn't make any money at all, right? But imagine this, what if the owner had a tracking app? They put it on your phone, right? And once you leave the shop, the ad for that coffee shop is going to appear in the next one or something similar to that, right? Very, very powerful. Now this was offline example. This is online example that really works wonders, magic, once you understand and apply it, right? As you can see, if you're spending money on Google Ads, right, as an affiliate, and you're not doing remarketing, right, retargeting, then it's really, really hard to start having great results and scale your affiliate marketing business, right? So if you're watching this video, if you want to know exactly how to do it, below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can connect with me and we can put things into action, right? Get it done one-on-one with Google Ads. So this is simple but really powerful example, right? We have prospect, they go to your website as an affiliate, right? No matter what you're promoting, dog training, baby sleep pills, whatever, right? Many different options, weight loss. So imagine this, you, instead of just going direct for the sale, you're basically tracking your prospects, right? So they leave, they don't buy anything, they go out of your website, and then when they go to another blog, another article, your ad is going to show up on that other site. So it's really, really powerful, right, thing. So the main thing is that the prospect returns to your site at the end and they buy product from your website or landing page. So it's really powerful, right? So you can do remarketing with text ads, right? Like you're used to seeing on Google with text ads. Then you can do also remarketing with image ads, right? Also another powerful method, right? Imagine images with catchy headlines appearing on Google, right? Again, powerful method. And you can do remarketing with YouTube ads, right? So who you can do remarketing to? You can do remarketing, or I like to remind myself by saying retargeting with YouTube ads. You can do it to the people who watch any of your videos, right? To people who take an action like even dislike your videos, comment or share of any of your videos, right? And you can also remarketing to the people who view your video as true video ad, or people who visit or subscribe to YouTube channel, right? So you can do many different things with remarketing, right? Really, really powerful method. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get it done for you, if you want to know how to do remarketing or retargeting, right, and how to get results and use this method for yourself as an affiliate doing ClickBank, Digistore, or any other high ticket affiliate program, and if you want to have daily affiliate commissions, let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my Facebook, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all the links are below this video. And before you leave this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get reminded when I'm going to share more helpful tips that can help you succeed. So again, thank you for watching this video.